Hi everyone, welcome back to the RP Price Lego Build and Review channel. I got another new build here. It's a Star Wars set this time. It's set number 75387. It's an 8+ set. It's called Boarding the Tantive 4, 502 pieces, and it runs $43.99, which is a pretty good price for this piece count. Great looking set here. It's a scene from the movie, and it will really look great when we're done here. Lots of minifigures in this too. There's a total of 6 in this set. Actually 7 in this set, sorry. And this should be a fun build. And let's see how it goes. It should be good. And we will get it done. So here we go. Come along with me. Enjoy this with me. We'll do each bag separately, and I will update after each bag. You have 5 bags total here. 2. And there's the bags. You have a small sticker sheet right here. Very small, not much to deal with. I don't like stickers, but in this case, there's not many there. The manual is 130 pages, and it seems pretty easy to follow so far. I've looked through it. So that's what we have right there. So let's get going on this set. I hope you come along with me and enjoy it as we build this. And like I said, we'll stop at each bag, give you an update, show you what the progress is and if there's any issues at all along the way. And then we'll move to the next one, complete it, and do a review at the end. So let's get on this set. It should be a lot of fun. Thanks so much for coming along. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back after the first bag and give you an update. Thanks so much for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to the RP Price Lego Build and Review channel. Here's moving on to bag 2. We've completed bag 1 on the Star Wars set, Boarding the Tantive 4, 502 pieces, set number 75387. It's an 8+ set, and it runs $43.99. So here we are, moving on to bag 2. I have bag 2 completely laid out here, and here, and here. And that's bag 1 of 5. We have 3, 4, and 5 in the wings, waiting to be done. We have not used any stickers yet at all. Here's what we built so far with bag 1. A lot of the platform is built here. And 2 of the minifigures, these are the Rebel Fleet Troopers. 2 of them. They're the same minifigure. Both handling the laser guns. Here we have the platform. This is the majority of the platform built up. We'll be building up the one side and the entire back, as well as other items in the middle. What we have here so far are triggers here for the platform, here, and we have one here, and one way up on the top, right there. So those are all the triggers for the fight on the platform, and that's where we're at so far. Pretty good build so far, no issues at all. Going together very well. All the pieces are fitting well. And the finish on the parts is excellent. And like I said, the fit is very tight and good quality all the way around. So that's where we're at. We will move on to bag 2. As you can see, we have more minifigures to build first. And then we will come back and give you a quick review on how it is going so far, any issues of any kind, and show you the progress. So again, thanks for following along. Really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment if you have this set. This is a very popular set, and it bodes well to the movie. So here you have it. So we'll be back after bag 2, and we will be back and give you an update at that point. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll be back. Welcome back, everyone. We've completed bags 1 and 2 on the Star Wars Boarding the Tantive 4 set. And here's where we're at bag 3, starting bag 3 now. Starting off with a minifigure. Here's bag 3 laid out. We have 4 and 5 to go. That's where we're at so far. There's 4 and 5 in the wings, waiting to be done. We did use 5 stickers, actually 6 stickers, I'm sorry, as you can see there in this portion of the set. And here we are through bag 2. As you can see, the back wall's been built up pretty well. We did add 2 more minifigures. These are stormtroopers right here. And of course you have the last two I showed you, the Rebel Fleet Troopers right there. And that's where we're at. There is, you remember on the last update I did, you had the raised portions here that come up. That's to move the figures, to propel the figures. And there's 4 of those. And then in the back of this, you have and I'm not exactly sure what that's dealing with yet, but you have a turnable section right here that will move, and we will see what that is when we get more of that built up. So that's where we're at so far. Here's the underside, as you can see. Very sturdy, very well made and built up well. Fairly simple build, nothing major going on here. Not difficult at all. Just a lot of parts to build up the foundation here, the platform. So that's where we're at now. There's your stickers right there, you can see. That's all 6 of them. And we'll move on to bag 3. That should be building up the left side. And then we'll do a update after bag 3, move on to bag 4, and we'll show you what the progress is at that point. Looking good so far. I love the minifigures. They're fantastic. It really gives it a great look. So, thanks so much for coming along. Stay with me. We'll get this done, and we'll give you a final review at the end. And the next update will be after bag 3, and we'll move on to bag 4 at that point. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Love to hear from you if you have this set and you're enjoying it and how it came together for you. Thanks so much for watching. We'll be back after bag 3. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Star Wars Boarding the Tantive 4 Star Wars set 75387. We are now through bag 3, and as you can see, we're moving on to bag 4. Here's bag 4 laid out. A smaller bag of pieces here. Here's what we have through 3 bags. You see the platform is just about complete. This wall, as I predicted, after bag 2, this would be what bag 3 would build, and sure enough it is. And there it is. We also added another minifigure. We added Captain Ortiz right here in the center, in the brown, along with the other 4 minifigures. So that's where we're at right now. And as you can see, it's coming along very nicely. No issues at all. Parts are coming together nicely. Parts quality is excellent, and the build is fairly simple. It's not a real difficult build, and it's making a great display piece so far. So that's what we have so far. As you can see, it's got nice detail to it, and of course the 4 levered pieces here that move right here, that will be ways that the minifigures will propel in the fight itself once we get it complete. So there we go. So 3 bags are done. Move on to bag 4, and we have 5 to go, and that's it. No more stickers used. Everything is steady on the sticker side of things. Nothing major there. So let's get on this and finish it up. When we're done with bag 4, I'll come back. We'll do an update on bag 4, and then we'll move on to bag 5 and then do a final review. So thanks so much for coming along. Much appreciated. And we'll be back after bag 4. Take care. Thanks. Hello, and welcome back to the Star Wars set Boarding the Tantive 4. 502 pieces, 75387, 8 plus set, $43.99. Not too bad for 502 pieces. Here's what we have. Moving on to bag 5. All right, there we have 2 more minifigures, which makes up a total of 7. Got a lot of minifigures in this set, which is really great, and they all look fantastic, by the way. We have a specialized one right here, as you can see, called the ARC Trooper 5s right there, and a plaque as well for 25 years of Lego Star Wars. And that'll be part of this, which is the last bag right here. And you have a cape for that, for one of the minifigures coming up. That will be Darth Vader, I do believe, right there. And that cape will go on him. And of course we have the 2 that'll build up, 2 more minifigures that'll build up. And here's bag 5 laid out completely. Here's what we have. You saw the prior 5 minifigures, which are over here. And then we have the pretty much completed platform, as you can see. And you can see your stickers attached there. They're all nice, clean stickers, went on very easily. And over here you have that bar wall. As we turn it, here's the back side. And to give you an idea of how this is constructed underneath, here's the underside right here. Very, very well made. Very sturdy, very strong platform. And pretty easy to put together. Not too bad. So there you have it. There is the platform complete. Or about 99% complete. There's a couple more pieces that'll go on there, but from here, it's mainly building up the last minifigures and building up the scene that will be on here using the minifigures. So, thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching. Much appreciated. This has been a fun build. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, or do. And we'll move on to bag 5 now, complete that, and I'll be back with a full review and show you all the details. Much appreciate you coming along. Thanks so much for watching, and we will be back. Hi everybody, welcome back to the RP Price Lego Build Review channel. Here's the completion of the Star Wars set, boarding the Tantive 4, and this set was a fun build. I hope you followed along with me as we did this build. It was a very enjoyable experience, and it came together very nicely. Great quality parts, no issues at all on the build. There were a few stickers. The stickers all placed well, no issues at all with stickers, and the stickers were minimal, which is great. So what we had was 5 numbered bags, and we went through each bag through the build and gave you progress reports as we went through it, and again came across no issues at all. Here's the manual. Manual is 130 pages. There's your parts list. Real easy to follow build, no issues whatsoever there. Here's the set. We have 4 platforms that raise and lower with the 4 levers you see there. This set was loaded with minifigures. You had 7 of them total. You have Captain Antilles right there. You had Rebel Fleet Troopers right here, 2 of them. You had a special one. This was on a pedestal, a 25-year anniversary pedestal. And this was the ARC Trooper 5s right there. Really looks great. That's a great looking minifigure. And then of course you have Stormtroopers. 2 of them, one there and one there. And then you had Darth Vader right back here. He was included as well with his cape. You have a moving panel. There's a lever back here. This panel on the side with lighting, red and orange lighting, slides in and out to board the troopers to the Tantive 5, which I have a build on the Tantive 5 if you want to check that out. We did a build and review on that set some time ago. Over here is the door. You can see the lever and assembly up top. There's 2 places for that to move the panel. And that is, you can see the stickers by the way right here. Placed there. So you turn this, there's on the back side, there's another lever right there. That will rotate the door as well, the sliding door. So you can do it from top right here or from here, your choice. Nice looking set, came together really nicely. It follows the movie theme as well, and just a pleasant build. And I love these minifigures. They're very highly detailed and they just look great. All carrying weapons. And again, these platform pieces right here, these levers, raise and lower these sections. There's 4 of them. And that will propel, or shall we say, upset the minifigures if you place them on top of those. So there you have it. It's a nice set. Great Star Wars set. It's an 8+ set, set number 75387, 502 pieces, and it runs $43.99, which is a pretty good deal for this, especially for this particular set. It's a little larger set, and it looks great when you're done. Makes a great display model and very playable as well. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for coming along as we built this great set. And we'll move on to the next one. And yeah, get this one. I think you'd really enjoy it. It's a great set, and it displays very, very well. Make a nice addition to your Star Wars collection. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks for coming along. And please like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you have the set, I'd love to hear from you. Let me know what you think of it and if you're having a good time with it. So again, thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching, and we will be back with the next set. We're going to do another build on a Minecraft set. Thanks so much.